Get the chance to earn rewards by minting crypto tokens with LFi Cloud Minting. Minting is the process of creating new tokens. Through the Proof of Coverage protocol, tokens are moved from the total supply to the network's circulating supply. To do this, you usually need specialized hardware with large amounts of hard disk space and computing power, which can be expensive and difficult to acquire. With LFi Cloud Minting, you need only an internet connection. Our program makes it simple for you to start earning rewards right away. With LFi Cloud Minting, you will rent cutting-edge hardware and start minting tokens hassle-free. All you have to do is get the NFT unit, get the LFi collateral, and deposit it for each unit. It's that easy. And with our program, you can get token rewards. So what are you waiting for? Join the LFi Cloud Minting program and start minting tokens today.